Hello. The lock I have for you today is a multi-lock classic. It's 5 pin-in-pin telescoping pins. I'm just going to be using a Z-bar and a flat flag out of my Sauber kit. And I have to say, this is one of the most difficult classics I've ever had to pick. Okay, 5's binding. Got a click out of him. Got a click out of 3. Got another click out of 3. Click out of 4. Got something out of 5. I don't know what that was. It wasn't really a click. Got a slight click out of 2. Got a real click out of 4 now. 5 still set, I think. 1 still springy. Got a click out of 3. Four and 5 are loose. Okay, 1 gave me a click and I get very slight rotation on the plug. Okay, which one? Okay, it's going back in. 1's nothing, 2's nothing, 3 feels set. Four feels set and 5 feels set. What the hell is going on? Okay, that was 3. Or I believe that might have been actually 2. Nothing from 4. Nothing from 3. Nothing from 2. Something's holding me up. What the hell is it? Okay, I'm gonna try to let off tension a little bit while I try and set one of these. was 3. That was 2. I dropped into a really good false set. Usually this means that, well, maybe not yet. We'll see. Maybe it might just be the inner pins left. We'll see. Usually when you have a deep false set like that, it means it's just the inner pins left. Yep, and it was. As you see, it is open. I don't want to turn it past the straight up mark, otherwise I'll get the pins stuck down in there. So as you see, it's open. Lock it back up again. This is the bitting. Well, I don't want you to lose that. This is the bitting. It's obviously the Multi-Lock Classics are the 5 pin-in pins, which are just like the Interactives and the MT5s, but as you go higher, obviously there's going to be some more security features. Interactive has the interactive element in position 1 or 2, and the MT5s also have actually smaller pins, and the MT5 Plus has the laser cutting on the key. Multi-Lock is an Israeli-owned company. It was created by 2 guys. The original name was Rav Bariak, I believe it is. I'm probably butchering that, but Asa Abloy bought them in 2000. Let's see. As you see, it works perfectly. This is also one of the UL rated right there, the Underwriters Laboratory, which means that there's just steel inserts in it, basically. Better protect against drilling. Make sure I don't lose nothing. Okay. Okay. Here is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there's no drilling on the side. Sometimes they'll have that for key control, but there's none on this side. And as you can see, the steel inserts right here, there's one on top, those two prevent drilling. Orient these. I'm not going to take all of them out, but you can see that they're in there. Now for the goods. 1 is serrated. Two is serrated. Three is serrated. I think those are all serrated, or maybe 4 out of the 5 are. 5 might be a standard, because I think I only set in once or twice. Nope, that's serrated as well. And nothing in the core, as you see. Let me get a flashlight. If you can see down in there, you see those 3 holes, those are for the drill protection as well, which gives it the UL rating. Okay. As you see, 1 through 5 are all serrated drivers. And all 5 of the key pins are standard. I don't think there's any. Nope, all standard. Alright, well that is all I have for you today on the Multi-Lock Classic Mortise cylinder. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching.